Welcome to Lisa Marie's Cooking Live. Tonight we will be preparing some fried mac and cheese. I am so excited about this because I have a little twist that I'm going to do with my fried mac and cheese. What I have here are some eggs. Put about half a cup of evaporated milk in there, not a whole lot. I'm going to put salt and pepper. You know, you need to put salt and pepper on every layer. So I'm putting some salt and pepper right here in my egg. A half cup of all-purpose flour. I am going to put some salt and pepper in this too. About a good teaspoon of pepper and about a good teaspoon of salt. In my flour, I am going to add some of my bacon. So about half a cup of bacon and fluffy, fresh breadcrumbs. All right, so I'm going to put some pepper. I'm going to put some salt. And I'm going to put some cayenne. I like a little spice, y'all. Put the whole container, just regular mac and cheese, flat, in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Then I took it out and I scooped it into balls. And then I put it back in the freezer for another hour to make sure that they were nice and firm for what we're going to be doing tonight with our mac and cheese. We're going to take our mac and cheese balls, and I kind of want to just press them because I like it to be as round as possible. Put them here in my egg wash, and then I'm going to add them in here with my flour and my bacon, and I'm going to dip it again in the egg wash, and then I'm going to put it in my breadcrumbs.